How to send a direct message on Twitter. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can send a direct message on your Twitter, which is known as X. For that, you have to follow this step and watch the video till the end. First of all, you have to launch the Twitter app on your mobile device. Once you have launched your Twitter app here, just navigate to your home feed. Once you are on your home page, you have to go to your messages. You have to tap on the involve icon or the messages tab, which is on the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, you have to just tap on the new messages or write a messages here. So once you are on a write a messages, you have to select a recipient here. So you can type the username of the person that you want to send your messages in the source bar, or you can select from the list. Just go for that. Once you are here, just go for the got it, and you can go and write the messages in the text box. Just go for this, and here you can see that you have to make a friend on your Twitter. Then you can usually write your messages in your text box, and you can tap on the same button, usually which is represented by the arrow icon there. So this is the simple step you can send your direct messages on your Twitter. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.